This video will show you how to give an allowance in a reservation. Allowance means discount that is given post-night audit. Allowance could be an additional discount being given to a guest. Hotelogix lets you manage allowances easily in the account statement. Right-click the reservation in which you want to give an allowance. Click Payments in the context menu that shows up. The reservation opens in a new tab. In the Account Statement panel, click hyphen under Discount or Allowance. The Allowance panel opens up. Note that the allowance can be added either in amount or in percentage. Enter allowance and percentage here. You can type in reason related to the allowance as a free text, in the reason text box. Click Save. Please note that allowance now shows up under Disc or Allowance column and the charges get updated. This brings us to the end of the video on how to give an allowance in a reservation.